everyone, how are y'all doing today? Today I'm getting ready to make some goulash. These are my ingredients. I have some garlic powder, onion powder, some salt and pepper. This is going to be just a simple basic, these are going to be simple basic ingredients that you can use. Here are my elbow macaronis. I don't know if I'm going to use both of these or just one. I'll just let y'all know. And right here, y'all can see I'm getting my water. My water is getting ready to boil. I'm going to boil my elbow macaroni. And I'm getting ready to add my ingredients to my ground beef, okay? Okay, I got like a cup, about 2 cups of onions and bell peppers that I'm getting ready to mix, okay? I decided to show y'all this. I was getting ready to just, just cook it, and I said I'm going to show y'all how I make my goulash, okay? Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to add some onion powder. Okay. That's probably maybe a tablespoon each. I'm adding a little salt, maybe a couple of teaspoons, or maybe about a couple of teaspoons. It's up to you. Whatever you want to add to yours, whatever salt, whatever season you want to use, you can use it. Like I say, I'm just going to use the basic seasoning. Like this is the black pepper. Put some black pepper in it. You can add as much as you want or the least if you want, okay? Let me stirring this up. And get it, it's trying to fall up, y'all. Okay, just mix that up. Y'all, I'm going to saute this, and then I'm going to be right back. Y'all, this Maddie back there in the background. I don't know what she's saying or what she's talking about, but that's her in the background. Okay. Well, I'm going to finish sauteing this meat and vegetables up and my seasoning up, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, y'all. I'm getting ready to add my macaroni. I'm getting ready to cook them in the pot. I'm probably going to use maybe a package and a half of the macaronis. Maybe about a pack and a half. Maybe about a half of this pack. Okay. I have already added some salt to this water, just a little salt, not a whole lot, just a little bit. So how have y'all been doing? Y'all planting gardens, getting ready for the spring, planting flowers? What have y'all been doing? Y'all, I love outside. When I get all my strength back, y'all, I'm going to be out there doing that's outside, because I love outdoors. As soon as I get a chance, I'm going to be out there, y'all. I love outside. As soon as I get a chance, I'm going to be out there. Okay, as y'all see these vegetables, you can cook this until the vegetables, or you can cook them by themselves. If you want to, you don't have to. They're mixed up. This is the way I like it. I'm just showing y'all the way I fix mine. You can go ahead and saute your vegetables and add them to your ground beef if you want to. But this is the way, I'm showing y'all the way that I cook mine. Okay? Make sure you scrape the bottom of this pot when you're boiling. Make sure they hadn't started back boiling yet. Okay, but they're on their way. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all, now I'm getting ready to add 1 can. Let me see how many ounces this is. This is a 14.5-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. I'm going to add that. Y'all, this is the ground meat that I'm using was like ground chuck, and so it didn't have much, it didn't have really anything at the bottom, no grease or anything from the ground beef, because this is pretty good ground beef, okay? This ground chuck. Now, if you have a lot of grease and, that's coming from the ground beef, drain it. Drain yours, okay? But I didn't have to. Like I said, I didn't have to. Because the only juice y'all see down there is from those tomatoes. Okay? That's where it's from, the tomatoes. Okay? As y'all can see, my pasta is boiling. Okay? I'm getting ready. I also have some tomato sauce that I'm getting ready to add to this. Okay? Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to add, I'm going to add 4 of these cans. Y'all can see. I'm going to add 4 of these small cans of tomato sauce. Okay, that's 2. 3. And 4, okay? Because I like my goulash to be, like, you know, saucy. I like that tomato sauce. If you want less, you can use less. And if you want 2 cans of tomatoes, you can use 2 cans of tomatoes. It's up to you. And you know, some people, they use this is all I'm putting in mine besides the macaroni. But you know, some people put corn. I may put some corn in here. I don't know. Some people put corn in theirs. Some people put sweet peas in theirs. It's up to you what you want to put in yours, okay? Because you never know. I may end up putting some corn in here. Okay? I'm going to let this sauce simmer for a little while until I'm going to let this mixture simmer. Y'all see it's getting ready to simmer. I'm going to let it simmer for a few minutes until my macaroni gets ready. Y'all can see they're getting ready. So I'm going to let this simmer on like a medium heat and until the macaroni get done, okay? All right, I'll be right back. Oh, okay, y'all. I am back. I'm getting ready to add this is super hot, y'all. I don't know what I'm calling myself doing. I'm trying to pick this up. Okay. I'm adding my macaroni. I got some more. Now I'm adding my second batch. Okay, now I'm mixing it all together. Like I say, y'all, you can add corn to this. You can add sweet peas. Some people even add okra. I'm not going to do that. I'm just making it as a plain goulash without all the other stuff. Like I say, I may add the corn. I'm going to have to see. I may just add the corn, but I don't think so. Okay? And you make sure you taste this. Make sure you taste and see if it has enough seasoning. Some people can add oregano or Italian seasoning to theirs. I'm not going to do that. But you're welcome to do it. I'm just going to make just a simple, plain goulash. And I'm about to taste it. Let me taste it, y'all. Taste this in my spoon. This is good. Just need a little salt, y'all. But this is good to go. Get ready to add some salt. Get ready to add a little salt to it. And maybe a little bit more black pepper. Okay. Just a little black pepper. Let me find my black pepper. Like I said, y'all, this is just a simple dish. Do y'all remember this? When your grandmother or your mother used to make this at home? And I may make a pan of cornbread. Do y'all remember this? If y'all remember this, let me know. And y'all don't even bring up the pan of cornbread. Eating this is with cornbread is, I'm telling you, it is so good. Okay. And y'all, this is it. It's that simple. It's that simple. Sometimes I let it simmer for another 5 minutes, put a lid on it. Or you just eat it just like this, because everything is ready. The longer you let it sit, you can just take it off the eye and just let it sit. Do not put a top on it, just let it sit. And then stir it up, it'll be just good to go, okay? Okay, y'all, that's it. This is my homemade goulash, or thrown back goulash like they used to make back in the day. That's it, y'all. Okay. Okay, hello y'all. I am at my desk right now. As y'all see, I'm editing my my video. Y'all see, I'm editing my video, and I said I'm gonna redo my own review. I had reviewed my daughter, but something didn't come out right with mine. So for some reason it didn't act right, and so I'm gonna eat it myself just to show y'all how good it is. Let me turn this down. Let me turn my video down. So, okay. All right, see, I'm still cooking. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try this out. Now, this is good. Okay, let me tell y'all this. If y'all like a sweet taste, some people like the sweet taste to their spaghetti and macaroni. You can always add just a little bit of sugar. But I add a little sugar in my cornbread, so it even out the sweetness. But I'm showing y'all what my family ate on today. This beef goulash. Y'all, this is so good. I can't have a whole lot of it. I can have just a little bit. I'm going to share this, what I have in this bowl, with my grandbaby. He's here right now. I told him I'm going to share. I'm just going to eat like a couple more spoonful. But it is good, y'all. It is so good. So y'all try this recipe. Look. Y'all try this recipe anyway, okay? I want y'all to have a blessed night. And I'm going to say bye-bye for now.